Who's the bomb? You the bomb. What is going on, guys? Dwayne Gibson here, and welcome on in to Gibson's Beard Adventures, the YouTube channel where we talk about beard stuff, guy stuff, and all sorts of different kinds of stuff. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on anything. Alright, beard balm. What it's for and how to use it, coming up. Alright y'all, in my previous video we had talked about beard oil, how to use it. In this video we're going to be talking about beard balm and how to use it. I'm not going to go through all the other boring stuff. Beard balm is simply for styling and a kind of a long-term kind of conditioning depending on the ingredients. Now some balms like this Dodge City beard salve here has different texture here. It's kind of smooth, but it has a different hold. It's got a lighter hold. Then you got some balms like this Hanyaker here that has a bit more of a firmer hold to it, a little harder. Oh, and then you've got some like, let's see here, this beard brand sample here. This is, I don't know if I can get this one to focus. This is their Temple Smoke. Sort of. But it has, I'd have to get some out here for you, but it's more pasty than it is waxy. And I got a review coming up on that one, so make sure you subscribe, and if you like this video, hit that like button, y'all. It's free to do. I surely appreciate it. We've got, I mean, all sorts of different consistencies of balms, but they all have one major thing in common. Now what all these balms have in common is the beeswax. On the ingredients of every single one of these, let's see, shea butter, beeswax, there it is. Let's see, first white beeswax, beeswax, beeswax. Well, I'm not exactly sure on this beard brand one, but I'm pretty sure there's probably beeswax in it. And that's about it. I'm going to do a butter video here soon, but give you the difference is butters usually don't have any waxes. They're more for long-term conditioning. Balms, while they condition, they also have a styling factor to them, and they give your beard a hold. And it works really, really well for those who have shorter beards. Now, mine is actually getting longer. I'm just gonna let it grow, see what happens. Why not? But I still like using my balms. I don't put it all throughout. I'll show you here in just a minute and I'll explain to you. But basically that's what it is. A beard balm is for styling and conditioning. They've all got different ingredients. Each one conditions differently. Each one holds differently. So you just have to find one that is right for you, that holds true to what you want to go with your style. Your style, your balm, because you're the bomb. So what I'm going to be doing today, because I'm still kind of testing this out, is I'm going to use this Beard Brand's Temple Smoke. And this is their utility balm. Let's see if I can't get zoomed in on that for you. And as I said, this one kind of has more of a pasty feel to it, but it seems to be doing okay. I've used it a few times. But the tools that I'm going to be using for this are my round brush. This is a Ion Proshine, if I'm not mistaken. I'll put the link down below if y'all want to check this out. It's very good for volumizing. The boar's hair in it are angled, so I would definitely recommend it. I'll put the link down in the description. I'll also be using my number 6 styling comb from the Chicago Comb Company. Absolutely love this. And just a regular boar's haired bristle brush to kind of final touch if I need to. Alright, so what we're going to do is just going to go ahead and apply this. I'm going to style it out a little bit, and that's going to be basically all. You don't use very much for my length. I'm going to use about a fingernail's worth. Just like that. I'm going to rub it between my hands here, get it all nice and melted down. And then I'm just going to apply it to the outside of my beard. Now I will come up under here on the sides a little bit, and maybe a little bit underneath. I'm not going to run my fingers through it because I don't want to spread it out. Don't forget the stash. Alright, I probably used a little too much there for mine, so use what you feel you need, because you don't want overly stuff on there, because I'm going to definitely have to wash my hands after this. And you just get it in there. First off, I'm going to use my number 6 styling comb to kind of, I'm not going to dig into it, I'm just kind of raking it across. Hold on, you guys. I'm using my phone as my monitor. Just like that. Oh yeah, it's looking good. And then I'm going to take my round brush here, and if y'all can see this edge right in here on both sides, like there, I like to just take the round brush and roll under and pull in, roll under and just kind of pull down on both sides like that. Sorry about that. Alright, and then, you know, after getting a good look at it, see how it's looking good, looking good. I can take my, man, I am just dropping everything. I can take my boar's hair bristled brush and just kind of lightly, I'm not digging into it and I'm not going off the edges, okay? I'm just bringing the hairs in the same direction on the outside. I'm not pushing in because you don't want to indent. You know, the same goes for if you're styling out, if you're just using oils. And yeah, that is how you apply Beard Balm. Beard Balm is for styling and for kind of a long-term conditioning. And I like it. We'll be going over butters next. So I hope you all found this little video helpful. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. We got more videos coming. And until next time, y'all, have a good one and live every day as an adventure.